Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about BikeMap as you see and you will click. In this page you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.